How to get $100 Ulta promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in ulta.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Ulta. Now you can log into your account. Browse through the items, make your purchase, and while you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you'll get the discount. But where can you get Ulta promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now over here, you'll find the search box. Type in Ulta promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can get working promo codes for Ulta. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Glamour. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offers. You can see that 65% off, 20% off, $15 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna use. Just go ahead and click on So Deal or So Coupon. So here's the code, you can copy it and visit the website of Ulta Beauty. Once you land to its official website, log into your account, browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase, and while you land to the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. In this page, you're going to find tons of offers. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Ulta Beauty. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Ulta promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.